Hi everyone, I'm Cammy here and I wanted to share with you the projects I made using the TPS Valentines Kit. So first up, I made this cute pop-up box card. It's a camera box card, and how I did this is using a cut file from SVG Cuts, and I just cut the beautiful heart paper from TPS and added some of the glitter lace edges as well as the little bow over here, so the card folds flat like this, and when it opens it pops right up. Alright, and the second thing I made is this cute little album, and I followed a tutorial by Bia Valent, and I'll link her video down below. So I made this using the Valentine's kit as well, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so I have the cover, which I decorated using a doily. I die cut the little heart behind and then added some of the die cuts, and in here is actually a little pop-up album, so I'm just going to go through them one by one. So I added photos, used some die cuts as well as the glitter edges. This one says, "I heart you." And then "Happy Valentine's Day to myself." And I layered some of the washi tapes. And this is just a picture of me recently. I backed the photo with the pattern paper and I added a doily behind, and the glitter edges on top on both sides. Then I have a picture of my fiance and I backed the photo up as well with some pattern paper, added a die cut, some of the washi tape behind, and I die cut the same heart and then added the die cut in front. And then, sorry, it's quite hard to do this with one hand. Another photo, and then this die cut is from crepe paper a long time ago. Some washi tape, and I cut up the little notepad and I wrote a little quote over here. And then this page, I popped up this little die cut on the fold. So add a doily behind, and I love this little tag. I cut the tag down because it was a little bit too big for the album, so I just cut off the sides and added the girl. Super pretty. And the last page, I tore a piece of paper, the heart paper, and the last photo. So this is the little album, and it's attached to the base with a little ribbon. So when you pull it back up, that's what it looks like. And with the little cover. So I hope this inspires you to create like more cards and mini albums using our TPS kits. They are not just for planner related stuff, but they can also be made into fun little projects like this. So I will link them, the SVG cuts file as well as the tutorial down below, and I hope that you enjoyed my little project share, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!